Ew, clogged toilets. How to use a plunger to unclog a toilet without getting it all over yourself. Okay, so this tenant has a clogged toilet. She could call the apartment maintenance, but in my experience, a lot of times apartment maintenance is kind of like the government. The less you have them in your life, the better. She has a new Korky plunger and holder. So I'm going to, but she has no idea how to use it. So I'm going to get this all off, get it out, show it to you, and we'll go from there. Okay, here's the Korky plunger. It's a little different from the little basic red one that y'all are so familiar with. This one has a T-handle, which I like. They make all types of plungers, from the little basic red ones up to accordion style, up to some that look kind of like this. Basic red ones are good for a lot of things, but this one I don't think it would handle it. The accordion ones, I don't like those. You can blow your wax ring seal out if it's not perfectly, if your floor is not perfect and your toilet's not perfect. Less little ideal than a perfect installation. I've seen them cause leaks. I don't like them. These can also be pretty powerful. That one's a little deformed right there, but that's okay. This is harder rubber. This is really soft. This is what's going to seal and give us the plunge we need. And why did I go out of focus? There we go. Okay. To begin with, you're going to put it in. And what we're trying to do is just get a good seal. You don't want to, just firm pressure. You don't want to go at this thing like you're trying to resuscitate somebody. If you don't put it down firm and you go to push it, it's going to come back on you sometimes. Preferably this water level would be down, but this is a bad clog. A clog like this is kind of like when you're in a hole, and they said the best thing to do when you're in a hole is stop digging. Okay, stop putting stuff in the toilet once it's stopped up. Okay, so we got a firm, we're looking for a firm seal, and let's see if I can do this with one hand. I'm just going to push it down. It takes, I'm going to have to stand up. You can hear it. You just want a good firm. And there we go, just like that. Okay, now, when I stop something, I like to take it over into the tub, run hot water. I don't know how this works, it's not mine. Well, and I figured out that, and this is hot water, I figured out you just had to turn this really hard. And I'll get this really clean before I put it back in the holder. Take it off. We go over here to the holder. Boom. Hands free. It's like modern technology. Hands free. Hands free plunger. And again, we're just looking for a good seal. This is what happens. The plunger seals around the toilet. Okay, if you got one that's odd shaped and everything, it's harder, but it makes a seal. And when you push, it's pushing that water down through there to push that clog through. So anyway, I'm going to wash this off. Let's flush our toilet, see if we got rid of the clog. Working like $1,000,000. Basically, that's all there is to using a plunger. sometimes, like I said, the little basic red ones will. This was about 15 bucks at the hardware store. Comes with a little holder. I'm gonna put it back in there because I didn't wash it off. As you can see, they need to clean the toilet. A lot of times that's hard water or something in there coming. You can see it streaking down. Anyway, just one more time for just good measure. Okay. There she goes, folks. And that's really all there is to using a plunger. It's pretty easy. Now, if you're, like I said, if you're over here plunging away, you want good firm pressure. Make sure it seals. And you should hear it. Now, if you're not getting that cleaned out, you may have to do it several times. If you still don't do this, if someone's put diapers or cloth or something like that down through there, you've got a major leak, or the clog is in the drain itself below the toilet, the plunger may not help you. So just keep that in mind. So I hope this helps somebody who's wondering how to use a plunger. I like the little bit more than basic ones. You can see how this one's coming down. It helps seal at the bottom. When you're done, just push it. I ain't sticking my hand up on it, but there it goes back. So that's all there is. Okay, thank y'all for watching. And another episode of how to get my toilet unclogged is over with.